We are going to work with some letters to make different words. I'll say the letter names out loud, and you say them in your head. A, D, H, N, S. Each of these letters makes a different sound. I'll say the letter sounds out loud, and you say them in your head. A, D, H, N, S. Using the letter cards, we are going to make lots of words. Take 2 letters and make the word an. I can paint an animal. Take the N away. Put a different letter in its place to make as. We looked up as the plane flew over. Add 1 letter to make the 3-letter word has. She has some money. You are on your way.